we have to have a statement because we have a statement.
As soon as this is long, so not registered statement says what you want to whatever gallery, really Bagaria, or we will tell a Yahoo, what you live a gallery, real human statement, which are where.
You heard the evidence by this witness. It is now your opportunity to cross-examine the witness. The purpose of cross-examination is to discredit the witness' evidence. If you do not agree with what she is saying, you must dispute that. If you do not dispute, the court will at the end of this trial accept her version or evidence as it is. You may also put your version on what transpired on the day in question. You must not come later and say that you were not given an opportunity to put your question, your version to him. This is your opportunity to do so that she may respond to what you are saying while she is still in the witness stand. Do you understand? Thank you. You may proceed.
Is the truth the worship? Okay, I met with the way she said that we met together. Really, I met with them the way they met me when we were under the tree when we met together. It started questioning you or asking you on concerning the accused number one.
I'm sorry?
She started asking you a question. Concerning to concerning the question of the accused number one.
Just a minute. Yes. You respond? Sir, you must look at me. I'm the one who is controlling you. Yourself, not yourself. Yours is just to interpret. Yeah, don't say to him, continue. I will do that. Okay, thank you.
Your Worship, I didn't get the question.
Okay, he said it is true that you came and you were under the tree. You started to ask me about accused number one. Accused number one is the one, we have three accused there. It's 1, 2, 3. You ask me about accused number one, and accused number one is Emanuela David.
Okay, if I asked him about accused number one, definitely it will be a question of, do you know him, Your Worship?
Yes.
Yeah, statement andilungu yochondo ndishake na naye mala ndipo pifike na nini ndila dai.
Concerning when they asked me about accused number 1, they said no, they wanted to take a statement from me for accused number 1. So okay, do you know what happened on the day of that accusation? So the accused number 1, I met him on that day of the event. We were together, but we greeted each other, and from there I proceeded on my own way.
Taputsibuzila batlombo tshaka hena molato go jwa matho go botsa nao motho na nnete na batho jwa matho mo dihlakane ka lona le tšatši le bwe mo lo re bere le mmogo e o tswa rile ra ga gana nna ka ikela go ke ya
Yes.
Okay, Your Worship, I want to make it clear that during the interview, when his statement was obtained by Lieutenant Colonel Schnelle, the person who was asking questions was Lieutenant Colonel Schnelle to the Mr. Thomas, Your Worship.
selo gore ke rata go se tlhakisa kwano ka nako e la go sore interview yo re ba botsisa yena mo re na se go dipotšišo ke Colonel Schnelle.
Yeah, but he said he was asked if he knew accused number 1, and he said he told you he met him on the day in question and they greeted each other, and then he proceeded to where he was going. This is what you say. If you heard that yourself, because you said your colleague was the one who was asking questions, do you have a response to that, what he said?
Your Worship, I do not recall all the questions that Colonel Schnelle asked to Mr. Thomas.
Na ke sa gopola dipotšišo ka moka na tšona tše le gore Colonel Schnelle o ile a botšiša Ntate Thomas.
Tatimluka ngepingongo evala tukwetulitena mela kala chekela tolokele shilumbu.
He said that how can she remember if she knows that when she was talking in like a Tswana language, she's the one who was interpreting for people to the white guy.
O la bona pe wena o toloka ka leleme la Setswana o tolokela ena monola o go ba tadola wa legoa ile ba butša Ntate Thomas potšišo.
Your Worship, it's not everything that I translated to Lieutenant Colonel Schnelle, because he said he could speak a little bit of English. So Colonel Schnelle, at some point, he was asking him directly and he would answer him directly. But beside that, I would not recall everything that happened on that day, the questions that were asked on that day.
I mean, you don't really much. I chachi ni mai ha ka ndi to ba e sheka chachi o konese lo kwa to Ramaphosa e uni mai ma ai ka nyana ne shi bona yo ka
akato ka ditaba ka mongana ha tshotso ka mongana tsona ka baka la hore yena mo rena shiko o la go tsena ntate Snele no o tshishanyana polelo yela se se managanya mo lo tedingwe o ba abulela le yena a motšhitša ka sekoa ba arabana gona fa we para a ke sa gola tshotso ka mongana tsona tlo re motšhitše tsona
o ye ke tatoloka na shalikilange ke fano le menga ga nda kwatwa ta batho ba go nna.
She's the one who was interpreting for me because she's the one who she was showing me the photo for the pathology. She was showing me the photo that I'm being arrested.
I don't understand.
The photo.
The photo.
She showed me the photo that he's been arrested.
Which photo now? I don't understand the question.
It's the photo that it was taken the day that they came to my house when I got arrested. The photo was a photo, he was arrested before to them. And then from there when they made the photo of that photo, the photo that they was the prior was arrested before.
na le senepe se lo re montšhisa so se lo ro ile a swara fele le tlo kopana le ka lona tšatšela o re o montšhitše senepe sona se bue gape bo wena le gore bo toloka ka letšatši leo.
Your Worship, I do not know of any arrest of Mr. Thomas. I do not know of any picture that was taken during his arrest. I do not know whether he was ever arrested and for what charges. I do not know, Your Worship.
Itse ka senepe se lo se tšerwe sa gage ena morena Thomas le gore yena e sa le ena a swarwa ile re kopana le ena ke tsebe selo ka taba ile gore wa e bolela
Fano velile anga limole topo ya go japo jindwana go japo ndai ba go jindwa kumbo ndilo ko bien ba ke out di black ba go sange na tulango plus ya go mesho it was long from that please number 3 na
the aliens showed me that photo because that photo when they came to arrest me at the time that they came with the BMW with with the black Audi. When they came to they arrested me and they placed it on my head, and then from there they showed me that accused number 1.
Accused number 1. Number 3.
Oh, accused number 3. Sorry, I told you also.
impotšitše sona senepe sona seo molore le tla gona fa le tsamaka yona BMW go to gona fa we gore ka tšatši leo le ile la ntokela yona plastic mo tlhong ya ka la fetša la mpontšha yena mora foto wa boraro.
Yes.
Your Worship, I do not know what Mr. Thomas is talking about.
Ka selo gore morena Thomas o bolela ka sona
japo isba japo ngao akisna number 3 uri moto ime utafalo mo lodging na sino cholo tutwa mo lodging
from the worship they took me it's me with the accused number 3 they put us in a different class and from there they drove with us and we went to this other lodge I don't know what's the name of that lodge
fa wena le tšere ke na le yena molatlhotšwa wa boraro ga wantšha dikolo tšeo lo be re sepela ka tšona la sekolo lo tšengtsoko e le gore ga ke tsebe lena la yona
You must be clear. Was she present? This witness.
I can't recall or because the time that I got arrested, I was arrested by the white people.
So ko bula kana kula ke sorry ke batho ba le ba malo mosho go ba goa.
Yeah, ask questions regarding the statement that you allegedly made on the day when she was present.
Lo statement yo ngonga ja jamais ishinda kwatanga utakadengwa muziki utakadengwa ndikadalombola nokucha akwizamba trikambi mwana wali tipo peshi o statement yo ngonga ushashi aishika mwana utakadengwa atudengwa ke mbuni na lawo
Yes, the thing that I'm saying is regarding the statement, because when I got arrested, when they took me, okay, I went to these white people and I was assaulted. This is what I'm saying, that I didn't make a statement.
Ka hona ke bolela hore ha se nke trust statement ka baka ke swara ke bona batho ba ba malo mosho ba makgwa ile ka betho ka hona ke ana tšhelete ba go dire statement.
Yes, you may answer.
Your Worship, the day we met with Mr. Thomas, we were driving in a Ford Ranger buggy, if I recall. And it was just the two of us, me and Lieutenant Colonel Schnelle, and we met with him. Then we were three. Colonel Schnelle typed his statement on his laptop. And then after that, we left. We did not take him anywhere. So I do not know of, as I've said, I do not know of his arrest. I do not know of people taking him, putting plastic on his head. I do not know any of those things, Your Worship.
Ke gopola botse re sepela ka Fort Ranger le nna le Colonel Schnelle hona fa we ke mo ka ra kopana le yena e morena shiko ra thoma go just statement a ba type ka le photo fa we ra ga ona le ra tsamala ke tsebiselo ka magwalo re e sa le bona ba mohlasela ba ba magama ka yona plastic yona ila ha ke tsebiselo.
Yes, sir.
Kujapone ama isde vitala isdo kan takatalanga otulimo mo Victoria kan sino chonda mo ngeyoshi kiwete kon otro plastic on.
And then from there, just on my surprise, I found myself in Pretoria because I didn't know how did I end up getting into Pretoria because I was put a plastic bag on my head.
Sana ke maki di bona ke le kwa Pretoria aka o lo re sepetse byang ka baka la re ba ntoketse plastic ka mohlong ya ba tshile ka yo.
Yes.
I do not know anything about that, Your Worship.
That year, young people like that, and yet, and she was watching my show from all the board. I was like,
It's a slow sale.
Ya mnamiti kan chingongo kushishimana kucheke ama mama kwatange ishivya kushe ishivya kwa matali no jobo police alikile ni mama bokala.
And the worship I can tell the court, okay, I'm not saying that okay, if she knew or what, because even myself, people who arrested me, I don't know whether they are police or whatever, because I end up being to that, but people they will tell me they are police people.
ke wa tseba ba tseba ra batho bona ba we ba lo re ba ile ba tlhasela ona fa we ke sa ba tseba ke ba re mara bona ba ile ba potla bona ke mapodisha.
Yes, do you still have further questions?
Ngatambo na Ramaphosa amukula kuya commission. Yes, I do.
Yes, proceed.
Kuja hapo ni kunaenda kama quiz number 3 eni onde ademo taji onde kwa kuja hapo watu wanatubule mkutu chilomea matalala mena mea watamshotano pipe tutula
From there is where they were to show me accused number 3 when we were up to trial. And then from there I saw accused number 3 was bleeding, and then from there they told us must take out our clothes so that they have to put the cold water.
Ba fa he ba hla tsama le nna mo potsa mona tfotso wa boraro mo ka tla go ngwana ro tswa madi bona fa ba re botsa hore ra go le da ba re ja rena bona mo ba re tshela ka metsa go tonya.
Yeah, for the benefit of the witness, you heard she said what happened when she was with her colleague who was taking the statement. If what you are saying, she was also present, you must indicate that so that she may be in a position to respond.
Concerning to come to the statement, Your Worship, really, she was present, and she's the one who was interpreting for me to the white person.
Statement wa lo hona ni ke ena ile ro ba tolokela lo kholela lo ro ba statement.
Yeah, that one already is on record, but you keep on testifying about something which happened, and if she was present, you must indicate that. If she was not, it is better to say other people or other police officers who I do not know did this and that, so that she may respond. This is what I am actually saying.
I'm sure if the day that I was arrested, if she was around, because I could not see, because they put me a plastic on my head. And then, but what I call, there were some voices also for female.
Ke tsebo re ka tšatši le re sore ke le ka lona yena o ba le gona ka baka la gore be sa kgone go bona gamele ka na plastic yona ile e utlwa ke ikwile mantši a batho ba basadi ba bomme ona fa.
Any response?
I was not there, Your Worship.
Any further question?
Yes, Your Worship.
Yes.
Okay, Worship, I can take the court that, okay, I don't know, even if I'm not certain if she was around, because I was put the plastic on my head. I can't say that she was around or not, but I had female voices then.
That one, You already have said that it is recorded. Do you still have any further questions?
Yes, Your Worship, I do have some other question I need to ask.
Yeah, proceed.
Accused number 2 national
they came to me, they came and asked that, okay, do you know accused number
2?
You know accused number 2. And then like the statement that you are giving us, that tells me that it's a false statement. Because if you are going to continue to talk like lies to us, we are going to arrest you.
Accused number 2 is the lady in between here. For your benefit, Captain.
Your Worship, I don't think me as a police officer, I can go and threaten somebody and say, I will arrest you. If I have to arrest you, I will arrest you. That is part of my duties. What we went there for the statement, and we approached him as a witness, not as a suspect. If we wanted to arrest him, I believe we were going to arrest him. So I do not think one police officer can decide to threaten a person. I personally cannot threaten a person, so we did not, Your Worship.
Lo ka le phorisa ka se ka tshoshetsa motho re o ka bolela maga ke go swara ke lo ke le go moswara ka fela ka moswara ona fa re ile ko ka maiketlo tsa gore go statement mo ene ka baka la go be ile hlatse ke nna no re ka tsa go ra motho tshoshetsa ba ka botshoshetsa bja lo ke le condition is my ke botshetsho a re
yo ya lo bolang no tshota kwa tang na sha kwa ta accused number 2 so what no ja uma ngisha tukwa lo ke na ba ba te ku kwa na kwa ta accused number 2.
Your Worship, she's the one who told me that I am going to arrest you, like if you don't mind, because I'm the one who also arrested the accused number 2.
And she said 3. You said 3. Please, you must listen to him.
Accused number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You said?
She's the one who told T.
Yeah.
She said that, okay, do you know that I'm the one who arrested the accused number 2? I can arrest you also.
Bueno, Jeho. For now, it's organized on the photo. Wow, we begin now. Do want to get to Swara?
I want to make it clear that I am the one who arrested accused number 2. That is very true. But I do not see the reason why I did not tell him that I arrested accused number 2.
Again, the inner sort of photo in our be our singing with of Lena Kamuswa.
We are not willing to forget that if we are not willing, I'm going to
Your Worship, she's the one who told me that because she was threatening me, she's the one who told me that she's the one who arrested the accused number 2.
Yes, another question. Another question?
or no shit, and then Jandino or Blake that year. The life which again I'm going to statement, man, I could land the story.
The watch back and tell the court when I met her, and when she asked me what I'm drinking, I told her I'm drinking black label. She told me, okay, I want me and you one must meet so that you can give me a statement. I will buy you something.
Retlekano lang po siya no ingarigi no black label hona fa we are rata hona lona retlekano hona fa we from his statement ho tla go ro kitle go go regela se.
Yes.
That's not true, Your Worship.
That is a shitty guy, my copy.
Ye wa se nnete mohlompi.
Your worship, she's like she's the one who told me because she was speaking the Tswana language when we were out
Na le ma ke ena lo ro ba bolela mantswe a we.
That's not true, Your Worship.
Ye wa se nnete mohlompi.
Yes, can you proceed with other questions? What you put to her is recorded and the answer is recorded. I heard that already.
Yeah, Vali, Mungo, if Mungan Shakin, Mungo, Shakin, Shulumbunya, Shulumbunya, Airbusan, Fango, statement, Wanobola Shumbu, Watua, Nanobola Shumbu, Ukundila, Thomas, and Joja White, Name, can be Kapish, Napish, I statement.
It's another thing again, when that white man in one person, when he came to me, for me to come and sign the statement, he told that white person, said, okay, you must greet Thomas for me. I don't know why she was trying to greet me because I don't know her.
Aba eng go re hele go lela tla gore ke sign statement is ya no lo ro bolite gore sone tšo gore le go lela antibiotic tsa gore why wa bolela bya.
Yes.
I did not send my greetings to him, Your Worship.
Okay, if she said that she didn't say it, like she didn't send me greeting, but me, I heard it from the person who came to that white person, the one who told me that. I have some greeting from her.
Yeah, she answered, she delighted.
A se ke ja matume mo go yena e lo ra re yena a tšo bjalo ke kule le go lela mpotša gore le nna ke tumele.
Another question, please.
Your Worship, I don't have any further questions.
Thank you. Any re-examination?
None, thank you.
Thank you.
Can you sit down?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Captain.
Thank you, Your
Stand
Worship.
down, you are excused.
Thank you, Your Worship.
State case in the trial.
Thank you. Mr. Thomas Lishiko, the state now has closed its case. This means that the prosecutor is no longer going to call any other witnesses to come and testify in this trial within the trial. It is now your opportunity to decide whether you want to testify or not. But the court should warn you, should you decide not to testify, the court will only have the evidence that has been adduced by the prosecution. There will be no evidence that has been adduced by yourself. Whatever you said during cross-examination that you put to the witnesses and the version of yourself put into the witness is not evidence. It can be considered to be evidence if you testified to that effect. Yeah, if you testified in other ways, the prosecutor will also have the opportunity to cross-examine you, as you had opportunity to cross-examine the state witnesses. Do you understand? What do you elect to do? What do you elect to do?
Your worship, how can I do the statement or to give evidence at the court, because I'm not the one who wrote that statement.
Yeah, that one I understand. Remember, the reason why we are holding a trial within a trial is for this court to determine at the end of the day if you made the statement or not. The prosecutor has called witnesses. They have testified, the two police officers. You had them, they testified, they said you made a statement, you had an opportunity to cross-examine them. He is no longer going to call any other witnesses for that issue. It is it is your opportunity now to place your case before court. You can do that by testifying under oath, whereby the prosecutor will have an opportunity to cross-examine. You may also call witnesses to that effect. But if you elect not to testify but to remain silent, the court had already explained to you that the evidence that it shall have in order to make a decision as to whether you made the statement or not will be the evidence which has been adduced by the state. There will be no evidence from your side to consider for that issue. Do you understand?
I do understand.
What do you like to do?
Your Worship, I can read the evidence before the court again.
To the witness stand. Your full name and surname.
Madina Moyinka Dikwameshi.
Oh, Thomas Nishiko.
You have an objection in taking the prescribed oath.
And it available Jumbangi.
I don't have any objection, Your
Can you
Worship.
adjust the mic, please? Do you consider the oath to be binding or conscious?
I do, Your Worship.
May you swear that the evidence you shall give shall be the truth, nothing else but the whole truth. If so, raise up your right hand and say, so help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you. You may sit down and speak louder, please, because we are recording here.
Okay.
You may proceed. Yes?
Ya umbango wande anje ungo tatino kucha watu amenenda Phala David number 1 amechino cha David number 1 pashake na naye mo posho animpo pifa and ine ndila dangi ekashake na now when shona people before po.
The evidence that I want to give to the court is that what they're telling that okay, I'm the one who transported the accused number 1. I never transported this number 1 because this number 1 I met him on that day on that event. Okay, I greeted him, and after greeting him, I went and I found accused number 3, and then I greeted him also again, and then I proceeded with my own thing.
Yeah. Remember, what is important now is the evidence regarding the statement that it is alleged you made to the police officer, not the merits of the case.
Statement.
Do you understand?
Statement.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
From accused number 1, saying that in terms of the language, the interpreter is not interpreting exactly what the interpreter said. And
The accused, the witness is saying.
And also that it makes him not to understand because
I'm sorry?
It makes him not to understand what the interpreter is saying to him. So it seems that the language barrier between the two people.
Is it? What language, by the way, is this? Ovambo. What was wrong with the interpretation?
The question raised regarding.
I'm sorry?
The question regarding him making a statement. Right? So he said the interpreter is not giving it to him correctly. So even the interpreter is not interpreting exactly what he said. So
Regarding-
that's where it creates a problem.
Exactly what he said regarding the statement.
Yes, when making of the statement, then.
Yeah, but he has not yet said anything regarding making the statement. His evidence was to the effect that he met accused number 1 and also 3. But I says to him, what is important now for court to determine is whether he made a statement or not. Not the merits of the case.
Yes.
Yes.
Your Worship, and that is why he is saying
Then
that there's a barrier.
is it?
Language, yeah.
Unfortunately-
So the one thing that they need to do is the advice is for the interpreter to take time to get everything to be digested, because it takes time to reach the witness.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know the language.
That is, yeah, then it becomes very difficult for.
Mr. Interpreter.
Your Worship, okay, can we ask
The witness.
Yeah, the witness.
Mr.
Yeah, the
Leshiko.
witness. Or if he can he hear me or not, it will start from him. He must just respond. If he says that he can't understand what I'm saying, so that we can deal it with it, understand? We must hear from him.
Oh, yes, advocate.
Maybe quickly approach.
Oh, you can approach, yeah.
Your Worship, indeed, we see the problem, because I say some of the things that he's saying are not interpreted.
Is it?
Then we seem to be having a problem.
Oh, they support what accused number 1 is saying.
There are some of the things that he has said or he has asked, but they were not said the same the way that they were asked or said.
Yeah. kwa inafuta kwa pale na kuenda nde talongo lokota ji nena ndafanda ndalolo kango ngahenya mara aita andi tangani apa aika mlapeni shashi bandilu tena wakati
ile lutuma ka chapeke yule ko reno la class ka kuchaga weekend apa ala ko utabona utakona kwa yangu na kuchiko lo.
I'm not sure if it's a question of being fatigued or actually it's a question of the language itself.
Lakini na ile kutoa mangatara kene shiko ile keno shiri kutoka okay niko problem ili po kuja kutoloka ilo kuloloka ilo elako oloka ninawa
Maybe uriki kabila ya kulina na bila kwa kabila ya kulina kuna
If the witness can understand him and answer questions, he testified, he interpreted, this matter does not only involve this witness who is under oath now, it also involved the three accused. It is important for them to hear and understand what is actually being said.
Utangene ombangi taikulo makulo de tainyamu kola ilo ta simanyambo te manyambo utokudi tokele kuteko sasi takudingira kuna utaenjela no kujana ko fanayo kujana kutoka shima tanyambo kudi tokele kuteko sha kwatramo vali na kwa waate kila vile kwa mmefu sasi ni mutani mutataka taucha ela kala kali kutito naone na shida tashiba kwa tanawa ka
loro ya tunga fasa za kushara kushika ona sena ni moshu
I have adjourned in order to consult with the senior interpreter so that to see if she cannot help us under the circumstances. Unfortunately, she is on leave, but nonetheless, I have contacted her and also directed her to seek an alternative interpreter. I don't want to risk by proceeding with this matter, and at the end of the day or the whole trial, and the matter may be set aside on the basis of a very simple thing that this court could have addressed. Off record, the court also met with the legal representatives and also the state advocates, and one of them raised the issue that the other accused will not even understand a simple language of Setswana. He or she does not understand it perfectly, and they also roped in help of an interpreter for the purpose of consultation. I know that this court can hold an inquiry as regard to other languages that can be used under the circumstances, but the indication already to me that it may be a futile exercise. I therefore find that it will be in the interest of justice that the matter be adjourned today until Wednesday, so as to solve this issue of the interpreter. The matter was also scheduled for tomorrow, the 7th of October. Unfortunately, already there are indications that we will not be having an electricity. As a result thereof, we won't be able to proceed with the matter due to the fact that the proceedings will not be recorded. Number one, did you understand? Two, do you understand?
I do understand your worship.
Three.
Number 3, I do understand your worship.
Witness.
Umbagi, I do understand your worship.
Witness, where are you employed?
But our longer pen.
Andilongo different airports.
And approach your longer pen.
Andilongo Kronstadt.
Okay. He's working in Kronstadt.
Kronstadt.
Yes.
Oh. Oh. State.
Two more state witnesses to be one for Wednesday.
Where are they from?
From Gauteng.
Gauteng.
That's the point.
Gentlemen, how are you? What language do you speak?
I speak English.
And you?
English.
English. Full names and surname?
Saqib Shahabuddin,
Saki?
S-A-Q-E-E-B, Saqib, surname Shahabuddin,
Shahabuddin.
S-H-A, Shahabuddin,
Shahabuddin.
yes,
Shahabuddin.
T-I-A, yes.
And you say?
Shaukat Kapadia, S-H-O-U-K-A.
I'm sorry? So?
Sorry?
Can you repeat, please?
Shaukat Kapadia,
Socket.
Kapadia.
Ka?
K-A-B-A.
K-A-B-A-D-I-A. Kabadia. Gentlemen, I'm very sorry. Unfortunately, we are unable to proceed with this matter today. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. It is due to the issue of interpretation. Do you understand? The state and defense, please, during adjournment, establish regarding the interpreter, whether was it fatigue or actually it's a language, even amongst the accused. Is it a question of a language or what actually is it? So if it is not language per se, it's fatigue, then we will be here on Wednesday. This matter is postponed until Wednesday. The the 8th of October for further trial. Number one, we are still in custody. And number 2 and 3 on extended bail, 1:8, this court failure to come, warrant of arrest authorized against you, bail money forfeited to the state. Witness, you are also 1:8, this court failure to come, warrant of arrest authorized against you. Witnesses, 8:30, this court, Wednesday, the 8th of October, do you understand? You must speak.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't. Please.
Nabe otolo muchapo ya kwa family tatu mama fikira hitatu opo yo kukira numbangi woye uliteko mara hapa saito wa ngoka lori mo hofa.
Okay. Understand?
Okay. Ndakupulamba pilo kilonga wali.
I have a question that I want to ask.
You can ask.
Watapula.
Oh, mbapila angyo kilonga na tangu wali.
My request is that can they give me another letter again today for work purpose?
They must give you a letter until you are through with your evidence. Do you understand?
What mbapila to ipe wakeshe tiku yake kwa hapo mbapila nde kiwa hapa kutoka mani na kuya kwa ofane.
Okay. Every day when you come to court, after we adjourn, you are still needed. Even if you're not still needed, just go to the stenographers here, ask a letter, they will give you the letter. Do you understand?
But I can fimbo sheko ya kwa hofa. Ngeke to mana no hofa, opetu watu peko ngulba ni tauli kwa wi. Opo kupe mbapila keshe tiku ngengo ya kwa hofa.
Okay.
Would you take condition?
I did take.
I do understand.
Thank you. Got a chance.
Have a nice day.
He will teach you. But you know, the fact is, these people are sitting. They eat lunch with him. Yes, yes.
Yes, the what?
How much you guys again? Hi, Cyril.